Hey, so what's up? So I want to create an additional training for you guys because I'm sure as you're buying these affiliate products, you're noticing that you're being offered these awesome bonus pages, and every affiliate has different bonuses that they're giving out to try to entice you to buy their products, as I am doing right now. But I want to show you actually how these bonus pages are being created. I do want to preface this by telling you that I use a program called Commission Gorilla. It does have a cost associated with it. I think it's around $29.99 for the year. It's well worth it. But if you're on a budget and you have a blog, you can use something like InstaBuilder. You can use Thrive. If you're a ClickFunnels person, you can use ClickFunnels. There's a variety of ways that you can do to create your own bonus pages. So I just wanted to kind of let you know that I use Commission Gorilla. So I'm going to be giving you a Commission Gorilla tutorial. So I just want to show you a couple different styles of pages. So this is one of my pages for one of the last launches I did. So normally what I try to do is grab see the image here, I'll grab that from the sales page. I'll put in my own little video here. And as you can see here, bonus number 1 and number 2 and all this other stuff. And again, I'll show you how these are all generated and where I'm getting them from and all this other stuff. So that's one of my pages, and the newest page is one that me and Jonah Armstrong have created together. And his style is a little bit different, and it's actually a little bit better than mine, one that I'm trying to learn. But we include the countdown timer because that obviously creates a bit of scarcity. And there's all this, different ways to lay these out. But basically, you want to have something alluding to the value of the bonus that you're giving away, the bonuses themselves. So I'm going to talk to you about where to get bonuses created by super affiliates if you're just starting out and you don't have your own products. But you also want to get into doing exactly what I'm doing right now, is creating my own bonus. So see here it says bonus course. This is Jono's bonus course, and that's a way for him to brand himself. So as you create these bonuses, like I said, like I'm doing right now, it's going to allow me to brand myself, and I advise you to do the same. But when you're just starting out, it's best to just, like right here, use some bonuses that are created by super affiliates just to kind of get your feet wet. So that's enough on that. So I would just want to show you kind of how that's what these look like, and I'm sure you've been seeing these anyway. So here I am in Commission Gorilla, and I have here in this My Pages section, this is all the bonus pages that I've ever created. And so I'm going to basically just build one from scratch and talk to you about how it's done and all this other stuff. So here's my bonus library. Commission Gorilla does come with some of these. If you see done for you special one, it does come with these kind of almost PLR type of bonus that you can give away. They're okay. They're, like I said, they're kind of. I'll click on one of those so you can just see. They're PLR, and so they're workable and they're okay, and some of them have some decent information of them. They kind of all have this little kind of corny, cartoon look to them. But if you don't have anything, it's a good place to start. Just start with something and take some action. But for me, I have two sources where I've gotten a lot of my bonuses from super affiliates, because I'm still on the newer end of things, and this is actually my very first custom bonus. So I have to use other people's bonuses to basically get you guys in the door and to get you to buy from me. So this is my list of all the bonuses that I have in my library. So let me just show you where I get those, and then I'm going to build a new bonus page myself. So let's go ahead and start with the new bonus. So I always select, so once you select new bonus, I always do number 2, and you'll see why. Once you get access to the bonuses I'm going to show you, if you choose to, they're all sized for this graphic. So that's 800 by whatever they think it is. So select number 2. And this is the page that's going to come up. So now let me go ahead and show you where I'm getting my bonuses from. They do cost, and I will drop some links for you if you choose to get them. But again, not necessarily trying to sell you something. Like, you can do what I'm doing right now. Figure out some things that you do know. You might not feel like you're an expert in anything, but like, create like a little 5-minute tutorial on anything that could be helpful for someone else. So two places where I have my bonuses. The first product that I bought was called the Bonus Vault. I think it came out earlier this year. It's all the stuff by Brendan Mace and Dalton Scott. They're both partners. They're both super affiliates. Brendan Mace and Dalton are always at the top of the leaderboards on all these contests, and they know their shit. So if you see, I have basically, I think it's roughly 40 bonuses here. Now these are courses that have gone on sale earlier in the year, early in their year, that they've basically now packaged into one deal for you. So if you see, Bing Ads Mastery, 0 Hour Work, you guys have all seen these bonuses, and this is where we're getting them from. So let me just show you something like basically how it works. You're going to be able to get access to the graphic, which you can put into Commission Gorilla, and I'm going to walk you through that. And then they're going to give you the links to where to get that. So just to show you what the bonus vault looks like. So here's the box for it. Access Commission Blueprint. Once I click on that, then all of the images that you can download into your computer are going to come up. Well, this is the page where you actually get the product itself. You scroll all the way down. It's basically just going to be where the video is. It's somewhere on this page. I think I scrolled past it. Just a second. I chose a bad example, so I'm going to go ahead and do a different one because that page was not working. This product is actually great, by the way. I just went onto a page that wasn't done properly or whatever. So we're at the Awakening. The Awakening came out a couple months ago. So access the Awakening, and it's basically going to take you into the course itself. So you create your account. It's going to be free, and then or if you already have the course, you can log in here. So if you want to give this away as a bonus, hit the giveaway as a bonus button. A page is going to pop up where you have all the images that you can use, and I'm going to show you how you're going to be putting these into Commission Gorilla. And then there's going to be a text document basically giving you free access, giving the person who's getting the bonus access to the product without having to have bought it. So that's basically how that works. The other product that I use for my bonuses is by Ben Martin. The commission code came out, I think, maybe 2 months ago. It's a great product. One of the upsells for that, one of the upgrades is his thing called the Covert Club. It does cost, it's monthly. I do pay for it, but again, if you're working with the budget, you don't have to. But he has all of his products here. So let's go ahead and do a list building for dummies. I'm going to create that in Commission Gorilla. So let's go ahead and do it. So list building for dummies. And so the image, I've already downloaded all of Ben's images. So let's go ahead and go to upload. So I already have all of the and he does provide you with all of the images for his bonuses. So like, where's list building for dummies is right here. Like I said, all these guys make sure they size it perfectly for this box, which is why I told you to select number 2 with the type of page options. So there's your perceived value. Go ahead and edit this here. This is just a placeholder. Go ahead and get rid of this. It's gonna get rid of this, make this 14 to match the bottom one. And then where you get your link for this download section, I'm going to go ahead and show you now. So we're on his page, List Building for Dummies. I'm going to go ahead and hit the play button and then hit the YouTube button. That way, basically these videos are things that Ben and other people have done that it's unlisted. So it's on the YouTube channel for ease, but they're unlisted. If you were to just go to Ben Martin's channel, you would not see this video. So I'm just going to hit the share button. grab the link. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And that's where if I hit this download here and hit the hyperlink button, I'm going to go ahead and insert that in there and say list building for dummies. I feel like a dummy not being able to type right now. Target, you want to have it open up in a new window. And then there you go. So now when someone clicks on this link, they're gonna get Ben Martin's bonus. So access your, just change the name of bonus, list building for, again, I'm a dummy, for non-typing dummies. Access your list building for dummies bonus below. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this line here because that's not relevant. But basically, so I've created a bonus. And like, it took me a couple minutes because I was trying to explain, but I could normally do these pretty fast. You go ahead and save. And then right now I'm working on building another bonus page. So I'm going to show you how that goes inserted into a page itself. So my pages. So let me just go ahead and build a fresh page, and it's not going to be for anything, but let me create a new page. Just so you see how the power of Commission Gorilla and why I use it and why people like Ben Martin and Brendan Mason and everything use something like this. So, page settings, I'm going to call this test bonus. And then your affiliate link is if you're with JVZoo or Warrior Plus, that's where this goes. I'm not going to get into that. So let's go ahead and add blocks. So we're going to add let's say you're going to have your image here as your header, and then we're going to add a bonus block. So now that since I've populated my bonuses, the bonuses are going to be inside of my library. So when I click to select bonus, let's say I'm going to do the 10K email manifesto. I'm going to select that. So here, bam, there it goes. And then a spacer block here, I could say something like, oops, sorry about that. Hit the wrong one. I'm going to hit this text block. So here I could say something like 10K email, blah, 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 blah. You know what that is. You see how these pages are structured, but basically this is how simple it is. If you want to add your own, like I add my video links in here, my review, so that comes up there, or you can take a piece of the sales page, put that video in there. So that's basically how it's done. You can have your call to action button. This is where it's going to link to the affiliate page and all this other stuff. Like I said, I don't want to make this super long, but you can basically see how easy this is done. I'm not going to save this because it looks like crap. But again, I've showed you guys at the beginning what these finished pages look like. And I believe that you genuinely get the idea of how powerful something like this is. Go ahead and check out Jonah Armstrong's training on his page on how to do it with Thrive. That's what he uses, and he's also going to show you how to get it for $5 instead of having to pay for the whole year for it by using Fiverr. But I'm just showing you my technique. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. Again, if you feel like that you want to get the bonus vault or Ben Martin's bonus vault, I am going to leave you some links. If you choose to get them, that's awesome. But again, it's not necessary. You can try to create your own bonuses yourself, but I do recommend, if it's in your budget, to get Commission Gorilla because it's going to make this way easier to create a professional looking page. So hope this was helpful, and I will talk to you guys soon. Peace. Thank you.